Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Well, good to see you, all of you. Let's start joining in. Okay. We have Miss Aarti Ahuja. Yes, she is here. Good morning.
A very good morning. How are you?
All well, perfect. Good to see you after a long time.
Yes, same here.
Yes, of course. How's everyone at home? All well?
Yes, everything okay. How are
Good,
you?
good,
How
good.
are things
All
at
well.
your end?
All well, perfect. We have Mrs. Arora. Good morning, ma'am. How are you? We have Om Hital. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. So we'll be starting soon. Let's everybody join in. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Ritesh. How are you? Ritesh is here. Okay.
Hi everyone. A very warm welcome. Good morning.
Good morning. Digital Batra is here. I don't know. Akshit 41217. Sheesh is here. Wow. Good morning. Well, we have a very bright day today. Akshit is in good morning. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, Aurora, ma'am. So let me introduce Miss Aarti Ahuja. She is one of the enthusiastic and tenacious, multifaceted trainer, a trainer with a lot of passion. She really emphasized on developing the skills, and of course, I've seen her how she grown up. She has taken more the students into their entrepreneurial skills, and of course, the students have grown under her guidance, and they are on the top notch in the hospitality industry now. She is one of the best trainer in hospitality industry from Bangalore, and of course, we are fortunate to have you with us, ma'am. Good to see you after a long time.
Thank you so much, and thanks for acknowledging my presence, Rahul. It's a pleasure, and thanks for having me here. So it's a great honor to share the screen with you.
Yes, yes, it is. Same here with me also. We have Molly with us. Nidhi is here. Good morning, Nidhi. Good morning, Molly. How are you? Hope you're doing good. Akshit is saying, hope you're doing good. Yes, of course. Ma'am,
Hi, Akshit. They are all my
okay.
students.
Yes. Good to see that. All right, great. Let's start off. Audience, is it we are audible and the picture is clear? Say yes, or Meenakshi is all joined now. Okay, good. All right, so let's start our discussion, and it's very important right now because we all are going through the tough time, and I think it's a challenging time, and of course, I'll take this as an opportunity, and we are fortunate to have you as our guest speaker today because we have seen most of students are they're worried what to do in life and how things will move on. So. How do you see this pandemic situation? It's an opportunity or is a I'll take it as a challenge. What do you think of, what is your opinion?
So, to just begin with, yes, it is a difficult time. But if we keep attaching this word difficulty with this time,
Yes.
what are we trying to do? We are already thinking कि कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, कुछ ठीक नहीं है. If we say it's only Corona time or COVID time and remove that word difficult with it, our mindset will be different. So
Yes.
सबसे पहले mindset पे काम करना बहुत जरूरी है. So, first I'll speak about challenges less but opportunities more. हमेशा brighter side देखें अगर picture की तो it is always good. So, कितना time है हमारे पास this time? Today there is not a time for these white collar job कि एक skill आया and you are done. Now is the time for yellow collar jobs. Now, what do I mean by yellow collar jobs? Yellow collar jobs का मतलब है you can acquire as many skills as possible.
Yes.
So,
Yes. Right.
suppose you're an hospitality person and you know how important the role of French is, or to learn one or two foreign languages in a hospitality, because hospitality industry can never be only Indian. It is always global. You will have people across the world coming to you. also improving your maybe your English skills. Communication doesn't mean English. Communication का मतलब यही है कि जो मैं बोल रही हूँ वो आप तक पहुंचे. But
बिल्कुल.
English is a language which is in demand. So why not enhance our skills? So ये time मिला है जहां पे आप अपनी skills को enhance कर सकते हो. अपनी social media presence increase कर सकते हो. So सारे students के लिए एक particular request है. They need to have their account in LinkedIn. तो अभी तक
Yes.
इतना कुछ प्लेटफॉर्म है, Udemy, Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, इतने सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं जहां पे आप लोग अपने स्किल्स को एनहांस कर सकते हो. One is hospitality and second you can enhance. So when these skills are going to combine, definitely success is going to be yours. But I
Very
will not
important.
deny, yes, but I'll not deny this time, yes, people are not traveling. Borders are closed. So what is happening? The hospitality industry has just taken a nose dip down. That is there. But for how long? Man is a social animal, वो घर में नहीं रह सकता है. तो
नहीं रह सकता.
ये सिर्फ थोड़े दिन के लिए है और ये अच्छा टाइम है दैट आप अपने स्किल्स को एनहांस कर लो. सो अगर आज भी अपने आप स्किल्स को एनहांस नहीं करते, इनफैक्ट जो इस 6-7-8 महीने में या 1 साल में अपने स्किल्स को एनहांस कर गया और जिसने कुछ नहीं किया सिर्फ क्रिब किया, वो डिफरेंस देखेगा 1 साल के बाद.
Yes, I totally agree. मैम बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं मैम, because मैंने ये देखा है, this is a time when you have to grow yourself. You know, of course, everybody sitting at home, कोई घर पे है, कोई you know, of course, doing some kind of thing at home. Let's understand yourself. Let's take out your passion and do something different. You know, जैसे आपने बिल्कुल सही बोला, अगर मुझ में कुछ कमी है तो उसको मैं ठीक करूं, क्योंकि उसके बाद फिर हमें टाइम नहीं मिलेगा और ये ज्यादा दिन की दूर नहीं है और पीपल विल मूव ऑन. जिस दिन ये सब कुछ ठीक हुआ, ज्यादा टाइम नहीं है, जिस दिन सब ठीक हुआ, पीपल विल मूव ऑन एंड हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री और होटल इंडस्ट्री और फूड इंडस्ट्री विल शाइन लाइक एनीथिंग. क्यों? क्योंकि उस टाइम आपको घर पे कोई नहीं बैठने वाला, सब बाहर निकलने वाले हैं. So it's time to move on, learn yourself, of course, grow yourself. Very true, ma'am. Another thing which I'm sure most of the students and the participants would like to know from you, how do you think the future growth of hospitality students after completing their hotel and culinary courses? उनको आपको क्या लगता है कि कैसे grow करेंगे वो?
से राहुल सर, वो जमाना चला गया जब सिर्फ डॉक्टर और इंजीनियर बना करते थे. और इनफैक्ट होटल मैनेजमेंट वो लोग लेते थे जिन्हें मेडिकल या इंजीनियरिंग में सीट नहीं मिलती थी. बट नाउ इट इज नॉट दैट टाइम. एक एक बच्चे के पास 5-5, 10-10 नौकरियां हैं. The only difference is maybe the starting salaries are not very high, but the jumps are very, very high. So after 3 years or 4 years, you are at par with a computer engineer or much more higher.
Yes,
So
yes.
culinary is a science plus creativity. It's an art plus science. So जिसमें ये दोनों चीजें हैं, वो उसको शाइन करने से कोई नहीं रोक सकता है. So these are the advantages. और कितने सारे, सिर्फ it is not about culinary. So that is what self awareness करो. See, you can be good into sales, hotel sales. Because जो hotel sales में successful है वो कुछ भी बेच सकता है. Why? Because you are trying to sell a product which is perishable. Which is you're trying to sell a product which is not consistent. क्योंकि हर टाइम, अगर suppose you're trying to sell a बिरयानी, हर टाइम टेस्ट में 1% का वेरिएशन होगा ही होगा. बट अगर मोबाइल बेच रहे हो तो वो एप्पल का फोन एक जैसा ही होगा. So you're trying to sell a product which is inconsistent, and you're trying to sell a product where production is not separated from a consumer. वेटर लेके आता है, अगर नहीं अच्छा लगता उसी टाइम फीडबैक मिलती है, लेफ्ट एंड राइट तुम क्लास ले लेते हो. Whereas अगर आज मैं पेन लेने गई हूँ या नॉर का सूप लेने गई हूँ या कुछ प्रोडक्ट लेने गई हूँ, मुझे नहीं पसंद आए, I will not buy maybe next time. But so a person who is very successful in sales in hotels, people just take them like because a person who can sell hotels can sell anything and everything on this planet.
Yes.
So
yes,
sales में career है, cruises में career है. People want to do a lot of adventure sports. कितने सारे resorts आ रहे हैं. Convention industry इतनी सारी grow कर रही है. Meeting industry grow कर रही है. So आप लोग बोलोगे कि नहीं अब सब कुछ online हो गया है. Let me tell you, even a year after this, people have learned double skills. So फेस टू फेस इवेंट्स होंगे, शायद उसको ऑनलाइन प्रोजेक्ट कर दिया जाएगा, जो लोग आएंगे नहीं, बट बिल्कुल रिप्लेस नहीं हो. वंस वी आर बैक, ह्यूमन टच को कोई रिप्लेस नहीं कर सकता. होटल इंडस्ट्री इज अ लेबर इंटेंसिव इंडस्ट्री, जो बोलते हैं अतिथि देवो भव. सो रोबोट्स नहीं खोलेंगे डोर्स, खोल भी देंगे तो वो ह्यूमन टच मिस. सो एक स्माइल जब आती है ना, लोग सो एविएशन इंडस्ट्री, होटल इंडस्ट्री, फैसिलिटी मैनेजमेंट, ब्रांचेस बहुत हैं होटल इंडस्ट्री के बाद. सो आपके पास एन नंबर ऑफ चॉइसेस हैं सोचने के लिए कि मुझे रिटेल में जाना है, मुझे होटल्स में कंटिन्यू करना है, होटल्स में कितनी सारी लाइंस हैं, मुझे मार्केटिंग में करना है, मुझे एचआर में करना है, मुझे प्रोडक्शन में करना है, मुझे हाउसकीपिंग में करना है, मुझे स्पेसिफिकली बार टेंडर बनना है, और मुझे रेस्टोरेंट इंडस्ट्री में काम करना है, और आई हैव टू ग्रो अ फूड चेन. सो देर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स. और मुझे कसिनोज में जाना है, मुझे कन्वेंशंस में जाना है, या मुझे एकेडमिक्स और ट्रेनिंग्स में जाना है. इतनी सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई और लाइन देता है. अगर तुम कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग करते हो तो तुम एक ही डायरेक्शन में जाते हो. सो इसीलिए all those people who are listening to me who are hotel management graduates, it is very important to understand what is your passion.
Yes.
एक
बिल्कुल
साल
सही बात है.
प्रोडक्शन में किया हट के, अच्छा मैं एक साल हाउसकीपिंग, फिर नहीं चलता है. डायरेक्शन तय करना बहुत बहुत जरूरी है.
बहुत
और
जरूरी है.
उसके लिए योर सेल्फ अवेयरनेस. और सेल्फ अवेयरनेस कैसे करोगे? प्लीज डू योर स्वॉट एनालिसिस, दैट इज स्ट्रेंथ, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. और
Very
opportunities और
important.
threats are external. सबको एग्जाम्पल देते हुए ऑफ वन ऑफ माई स्टूडेंट जिसका मैं रेस्टोरेंट कंसल्ट कर रही हूँ आजकल. सर, ही लॉस्ट हिज जॉब इन कोविड टाइम्स.
Oh,
Okay.
oh.
So he was heading a restaurant, two restaurants. So he lost his job, and he was very devastated. That what should I do? What should I do? I said, don't worry. He used to cook also very well, and his signature dish was biryani. मैंने कहा आप
Wow.
घर से बना के ऑर्डर्स प्लेस करना शुरू करो. So the advantage it was that he was living in a society where there were a lot of houses, 1,000, 2,000. So वो डेली का एक ऑर्डर प्लेस करता था, टुमारो चिकन बिरयानी. 30-40 ऑर्डर्स आते थे, सिंगल हैंडेडली मैनेज करता था. मंथली इनकम वाज मोर देन 60-70,000, which was
Wow.
much more than a job.
Wow. Yes. You're talking
Yes.
about Karthik?
Yes, I'm talking about Karthik. So
Yes.
कोविड टाइम्स में क्या है? So
बिल्कुल.
लोग बाहर से नहीं खाएंगे, हैंडमेड है,
बिल्कुल.
सिंगल हैंडेड
बिल्कुल.
है, इट इज हाइजीनिक है, फ्रेशली, एंड ही वाज कैपिटलाइजिंग ऑन फ्रेशली ग्राउंडेड मसालास. फ्रेशली
Yes.
ग्राउंडेड मसालास पीस रहा था उसी टाइम, बिरयानी मसालास बाहर से यूज नहीं कर रहा था.
नहीं.
एंड मेड्स थे ना लोगों के पास. सो वर्क इज टू मच, एंड नाउ ही इज प्रोवाइडिंग क्वारंटाइन फूड्स. ही इज डूइंग
Wow.
वेरी वेरी गुड.
Excellent.
So
I
he's
think
helping
kudos to him.
people, giving quarantine food. His restaurant is in the pipeline,
Yes.
and Karthik
Yes.
is just simply shining. Here he is. That's the brand,
Yeah,
KC
KC
Kitchens.
Kitchen. Yes. Hi, Karthik. You can see KC Kitchen just joined. KC. Okay,
KC
he's
Kitchens.
here. Okay, we have a lot of participants join in. Miss Sapna Gautam is saying that hospitality industry is the only industry which has a lot of opportunities. Color industry will always shine. So Karthik, ma'am was talking about you. Okay, please, ma'am.
So opportunities, see, अगर देख लो, अच्छा मेरी नौकरी चली गई, अब मुझे बैठ के रोना है. You have to find that opportunities, and I think
Yes.
he was excellent in grabbing them. And
Yes.
see, अभी mango season आया. Yesterday only he called me. He said, I made 40 kgs pickle. I have bottled it and I'm selling it. Homemade pickles
Wow.
का कितना ज्यादा.
Wow.
So
Kudos
see,
to
he's
you, Karthik.
diversifying. He's diversifying, and
Very
the
good.
way he is progressing, and lot of planning, lot of calculation. So वो सब skills acquire करने से ही आएगा. So
बिल्कुल,
I am
बिल्कुल.
very very happy. So this is, you grab those opportunities. बहुत opportunities हैं.
Very true. I think very important. आपने बिल्कुल सही बोला, मैम. I totally agree with you. See, time is there when we have to grow ourselves. हमें कुछ नई opportunities लेनी है. Time, this situation will finish off and move on. And look at the way, I've seen few of my students and your students also. They grow by themselves with their passion, they've done their SWOT, they have taken their strength and taken this an opportunity to grow. तो ये सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है. हम लोग चाहे हम कहते हैं कि ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, ये नहीं मिल रहा हमें, वो नहीं हो रहा, प्लीज उन सबको निकल के हम आगे निकलते हैं. जो हमारा पैशन है, जो हमारी अपॉर्चुनिटी हमें दे रहे हैं, और खासकर ये इंडस्ट्री ऐसी है जिसके अंदर आप जितना अपने पैशन ग्रो करेंगे, स्काई इज द लिमिट फॉर यू.
Very true.
Right.
Very true.
So I think anyone any question with ma'am? Of course, KC Kitchen. Karthik is saying, thanks a lot, ma'am, for mentioning me. Okay. Anyone, any question with ma'am, so that we can proceed with other points to discuss? Okay. Okay. Next, I would like to ask you, ma'am, what are the basic skills required to be a perfect hotelier? बहुत important है. हमें क्या skills चाहिए to be a perfect hotelier?
सबसे पहला और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट इज कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स.
Yes.
वेरी वेरी
Yes.
इम्पोर्टेंट. वेरी वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. और कम्युनिकेशन, प्लीज, इंग्लिश इज जस्ट अ मीडियम. English is not equal to communication. Communication is what I say, the other person understands. So that is very very important. आगे वाले सामने वाले को क्या समझ में आ रहा है, उसको कैसे बात करनी है, that is something you need to be really really. और वो उसमें communication का main emphasis है on your listening skills.
Yes.
Somebody
Yes.
is writing something.
Yes.
I think
Mrs. Arora is saying, "Ma'am, my son is very shy, but he is passionate about hotel management." What do you want to say to ma'am?
Shyness is not. Shyness is a quality. Actually, लोगों को समझ, communication is listening. 70% listening. सामने वाला कहना क्या जा रहा है. Communication का ये मतलब नहीं है कि तुम non-stop you talk. Because in hotel management, you need to understand the need of your customer. Need कैसे समझ में आएगी जब तुम सामने वाले को सुनोगे. Communication doesn't mean कि मुझे अपनी authority prove करनी है या मुझे अपना point सही prove करना है, बिल्कुल नहीं. So if he is passionate about, it is absolutely okay to dive in. Communication just means that what you want to say to the other person, and he will be able to say, ma'am. That is, shyness is actually a added advantage. It's nothing, and he will open up. So communication is very important. Second is cultural awareness. Cultural awareness बहुत important है. Because guest globally आते हैं. Guest maybe आप इंडिया में भी इतने cultures हैं. सर आप बैंगलोर में आप you have been there, आप नॉर्थ में रहे हो. So अगर कोई बैंगलोरियन आता है या साउथ इंडियन आता है, the way you treat that person would be very different from the way you will treat a North Indian.
Yes.
So
yes,
अगर आप ऑफेंड कर दोगे अपने गेस्ट को, बिकॉज एक चीज है एथनोसेंट्रिसिटी, हमें लगता है हमारा कल्चर सुपीरियर है. अगर हम वो दिमाग से निकाल दें, एज अ होटलियर हमें हर कल्चर को रिस्पेक्ट करना है. दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. और अपनी जजमेंट्स और बिलीफ सिस्टम को निकालना है. सपोज यू आर सर्विंग अ ड्रिंक. Okay, so there is a couple who has ordered a drink, okay, and the couple has ordered a 1 whiskey and 1 lime soda. हमारा थॉट प्रोसेस क्या करेगा, हम जाकर विस्की सर्व करेंगे मेल को और जाके लाइम सोडा सर्व करेंगे फीमेल को. इट मे मेक द अदर पर्सन सो एंग्री. आई हैव फ्रेंड्स हु हैव टोल्ड मी दिस इंसिडेंट्स. मे बी द whiskey was ordered by the lady and the lime soda. We have made a judgment in our head. So बहुत जरूरी है अपने judgments को साइड में रखो और देखो exactly. This is lack of communication. So cultural awareness बहुत जरूरी है. सबके cultures में कैसे wish करते हैं, क्या चीजें okay हैं, क्या चीजें नहीं okay हैं. So there are certain, like हम लोग head movements करते हैं. There are so many countries which don't even support these head movements और hand gestures कुछ obscene मानते हैं. So you need to be aware जब तुम different cultures के लोगों के साथ. So cultural awareness is very very important.
Very important.
Then there should be lot of resilience. Resilience is so important. I think so. You were saying something. Somebody has said.
Yes, of course. Yes, Mrs. Arora was saying कि how to improve my son's communication skills. उनका एक बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है कि communication skills कैसे improve करें.
See, there are two things. English language improve करना है. So वो एक dialogue है ना अमिताभ बच्चन का, you talk in English, you walk in English, you dance in. So listen. Try to talk in that language and try to talk to people in that language who will not judge and laugh. That is very very important. और communication skills, see, अंदर से उसका will आएगा. So there are a lot of apps which are available. There are a lot of courses on Udemy and Coursera which are available. So let him try engaging and talking to people. So it is a skill जो experience and practice से आएगा. So that's something that he will acquire. So you need to understand यहाँ पे, are you talking about his communication skills in general or you're talking about a language skill? So both are very different.
In
In
general,
general,
yes.
then tell him to do certain courses, tell him to be mindful what he's talking, so all that he can improve his communication skills. So that's something which
And
is you
I
can
think
look at.
it's clear, Miss Arora. Of course, once we can discuss more on this because जितना आप shy feel करेंगे, the time the kid will have more shy, then those की presence उतने नहीं होगी. लेकिन he has to come up. He has to come up with this shyness now. Okay. Of course. Yeah, you want to say something, ma'am?
यार मैं वही बोल रही थी कि शाइनेस हो सकता है कि द वे ही बिहेव्स एट होम इज वेरी
Yes.
डिफरेंट एट विद आउटसाइड. आपको लगता है कि आपका बेटा बात नहीं करता है, हो सकता है बाहर में ही इज एन एक्सेलेंट कम्युनिकेटर. सो एज पेरेंट्स समटाइम्स वी मेक अ रॉन्ग जजमेंट. So as a
No.
hotelier, communication skills, cultural awareness, resilience, and the last thing, Rahul, which I would like to say is EQ. That is the
Yes.
emotional quotient of a person. It's a very high stress related job, especially culinary in the hotels. So you need to keep your mind calm and cool, which is very, very important, especially for boys. They're very aggressive because we bring up them that way. So they need to be calm because it is a pressure related job and service industry is where you are serving people. So if you don't have
Very,
that from within, कि मैं ये क्यों करूं, मैं किसी के लिए पानी क्यों लेके जाऊं, then this industry is not meant for you. So
very true.
that
Very
you
true.
need to understand.
It's about serving food, serving with passion, and of course, अगर आपने कल देखा होगा इंस्टाग्राम पे काफी कुछ एक्टिविटीज आई थी. एक वीडियो में देख रहा था. हाउस लेडी कन्वर्ट चेंज herself into a passionate chef, and the passion makes her to be a perfect chef. It's all about passion you carry in yourself. That's more important. Okay. Well, of course, we have. Can we talk on call? Of course, Mrs. Rora. Of course, we can talk on call anytime. Anytime for you, ma'am. Minakshi, I was saying so true, Aarti. Okay. We have another question. Of course, we have a lot of audience want to ask. How do you see impact of hospitality industry operations after, post pandemic? What are the changes you will see in, of course, there are a lot of food safety measures now and a lot of difference will be there. What you suggest to the participants now?
So, see, pehle bhi, sir, hygiene and sanitation was always considered a first priority. And especially if you know outside hotels, they don't run without HACCP, that is hazard analysis, critical control points. People will be more, because this virus is not something which is going to get killed by the heat or something. So people are going to be more aware on the safety aspect. So all the hoteliers have to be even more. So if you have a small shops or small things, something which you need to be really, really mindful is on the safety aspects. So that is one. Second thing, people are saying even the training industry and hotel industry कि बिल्कुल replace हो जाएगा. अब लोग आना जाना बंद करेंगे, मीटिंग हमेशा वैसे ही, वो नहीं होगा. It will
वो
be
नहीं होगा.
parallel. इट विल बी पैरेलल. सो ऐसा होगा कि इवेंट बैंगलोर में हो रहा है, उसको हम स्क्रीन भी कर रहे हैं जो नहीं आ पा रहे हैं. सो इट पीपल विल नॉट स्टॉप कमिंग टू द एंड. सी, हम लोग खाने के लिए जीते हैं हिंदुस्तानी, तो खाना कैसे बंद हो सकता है? तो पीपल विल ट्राई, पीपल विल एक्सपेरिमेंट. इनफैक्ट पीपल हैव बिकम मोर एंड मोर क्रिएटिव. सो मेनी फ्यूजन फूड्स हैव स्टार्टेड कमिंग. So, or home foods, freshness of the food, people are more getting aware of the processes of the food. So whenever you're trying to sell, पहले सिर्फ हम 4 P's देखते थे: price, product, promotion, place. But now it is the process which is very, very important. The
Very
physical
important.
evidence, the
Very important.
promise that you're giving to the perception with which you are selling. So there are so many P's which have come up. So as a hotelier, you need to look at the other P's. Those 4 P's were important, but the other P's are very, very important for the hotelier to look at. So post pandemic, nothing is going to stop. So
Very
if
true.
you have chosen hospitality as your career, you are definitely on the right track. I can vouch it. I have been in this
Yes.
industry from last 20 years and you have
Yes.
not made a wrong decision. You just be ready for being creative and realistic and you were going to rock.
Yes.
Definitely you're going to rock.
Yes, very important, and but very, very, very inspiring words from you, Aarti. And of course, there are a lot of students who would like to ask, what are the tips you feel? What are the tips you want to give it to the hospitality and culinary aspirant, so those who want to join the industry? What are the tips for them?
Okay, so there are certain things which I would again like to repeat, but they are very important. Acquire as many skills as possible. So that would require maybe a communication skills, maybe a social media skills. I see so many culinary students. So I do certain sessions in IHM Goa. They are running their Insta and LinkedIn pages very beautifully already when they're in first years. So जब तक वो खत्म करेंगे अपना कोर्स, they have well established. So social media skills को please सोशल मीडिया को एक पॉजिटिव नोट में यूज करें rather than just boiling away time. That is something. और ये जितनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं, स्पेशली दीज 3 प्लेटफॉर्म, कोर्सेरा, उडेमी एंड लिंक्डइन लर्निंग, स्पेशली लिंक्डइन लर्निंग, बहुत ही अच्छे प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं वेयर यू कैन डू दी स्मॉल लिटिल फ्री कोर्सेज और कोर्सेज एट अ प्राइस ऑफ 300, 400. Enhance your skills. That is 1. Enhance your communication skills. That is 2. And 3, be 100% sure about your niche. Niche means आप क्या करना चाहते हो. आप बारटेंडर बनना चाहते हो तो सारी नॉलेज उधर. Don't be have a macro niche कि तुम सारी चीजें कर लोगे, then you'll not be a master of one. So be a master of one and acquire other skills as well. So अभी वो जमाना भी नहीं रह गया एक मास्टर कर लिया बाकी छोड़ दिया. So all is required. So keep enhancing your skills. And one thing, सिर्फ culinary के लिए नहीं, ये सब youngsters को बोलती हूँ, mindset का खेल है. अगर पॉजिटिव सोचोगे, बड़े लोग बोलते हैं थिंक पॉजिटिव, हम बहुत ज्यादा इरिटेट होते हैं, बट इट इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट. अगर आपका माइंडसेट नेगेटिव है तो आपका ग्रोथ माइंडसेट नहीं होता, एक फिक्स माइंडसेट रह जाता है, आप जिंदगी में ग्रो ही नहीं कर पाते. और एक लास्ट चीज, बिलीव इन अबंडेंस मेंटालिटी. जितना दोगे उतना आएगा. हम लोग अगर नहीं, मैं शेफ हूं, मैं ये रेसिपी नहीं बताऊंगा या मैं होल्ड करूंगा, तुम जिंदगी में वहीं रह जाओगे, तुम ग्रो ही नहीं कर पाओगे इफ यू डोंट हैव एन अबंडेंस माइंडसेट. अबंडेंस माइंडसेट पीपल, स्पेशली यंगस्टर्स, it is so much required, and it's my whole personal experience. More and more you practice, you give away the knowledge, you will grow, you will shine, because you are spreading your colors. So it's so important not to hold yourself. So just shine and have a balanced mind. Yes. Mind plays a very important role.
Yes, so yes. Akshat is saying correct, ma'am. Excellent, ma'am. Kudos to you. Amrita ma'am is saying right, ma'am. Akshat is saying correct, ma'am. So we have a lot of persons who joined in now. Well, I think it's a very informative session, and of course you have an excellent experience in food technology, and your experience you have a vast experience in that. Your expertise will surely help us also in future. Okay. Anyone before we wind up the session, anyone has any question to ask, ma'am? Any tip would like to ask, ma'am? Whatever any questions you have, please ask, ma'am. If you so that we can wind up the session now. Okay. Well, thank you so much, Aati, ma'am. You really inspired our future hoteliers, and thank you for giving such a vast knowledge. And हम connect रहेंगे. Or MIHM Bhatinda is always there to, we always focus on the growth of student, not only in technical knowledge, but overall. I'm sure आपसे मैंने बात भी हुई थी इस बारे में.
Yes, it is one of the finest college, people. It is attached to a luxury hotel. So क्या होता है, नहीं तो होटल इंडस्ट्री में अगर सिर्फ हम पढ़ाई कराते रहे, एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है. एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट की रियलिटी क्या है. सो दिस कॉलेज ऑफ बठिंडा इज डूइंग रियली फिनोमिनल बिकॉज इट्स अटैच्ड टू अ लग्जरी होटल, and also it is tied up with the certification from Switzerland, so it has global recognition as well. Yes. So yes. Highly recommend people to join this college. And hotel industry में, see, this is something where it is very important. आप समय के साथ चलो, आप वक्त के साथ चलो. You have to keep changing yourself, and adaptability बहुत important है. और this college is adapting, so it helps you to adapt with that. So yes. बहुत important है. Like पहले resume चलते थे, आजकल video resumes चलने लग गए. So you have to upgrade yourself. अगर आप 10 साल पीछे बैठे रहोगे तो आप पीछे रह जाओगे. So that is what you do. And I'll hi Shivani. So Shivani, Rahul sir is a coach who has grown in Instagram from 200 followers to 132K followers.
Welcome, Ms. Shivani. Pleasure to have you with us. Thank you so much. Of course, Akshit is saying, ma'am, in pandemic, he's changed his future and he started his own pastry shops and he grown himself. I think kudos to Akshit. And Arora ma'am is saying thanks to both of us. So Akshit is saying, so I got profit around 35,000 per month. Wow, superb, excellent work. Uh, of course, Karthik is saying it was a very informative session. Thanks to you, Ati ma'am. Dinesh, hi Dinesh, how are you? Thank you for good knowledge. Enjoy to listening you. Oh, Urmila ma'am also joined in now. Good morning, Urmila ma'am.
A very good morning, Urmila. How are you?
We have the one of the finest trainers with us who joined in, Shivani, Urmila ma'am. Of course, good to see everyone together now. And IIHM Bhatinda has always said is always there to grow. You know, it's not about hi ma'am. This is the only institute in India which is or of course in Punjab which is focusing only on the development of the student. And of course, we are the institute. We are the only institute which is attached to the hotel in Punjab. So thanks to it's all because of the trainers.
Completely
Yes.
vouching for the college. So highly recommend to all the students. It is really, really a good college. Thanks, Akshit. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you all the audience
Thank
for
you,
giving
sir.
that support. And if you need
Thank.
any tips, you can DM me, you can follow me, and you can also DM Rahul. So we would love to answer your queries
Yes,
always.
yes. Thank you so much, all of you. It was a very informative session. Thanks once again. And very important, stay safe. Take yourself, take care of yourself and your family. Take care of your health also. Very important now. Thank you so much, all of you. Have a great day. Thank you, Aati ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for
Thank,
having me here. Thank you, audience, for
thank,
joining.
thank you. Thank you.